today I get this fog balance tree. This is very nice and very beautiful game. So let's open this and check what I find inside. After opening this, actually before one time I checked this product. This is very nice. It has one like boat, and the rest of the other things I can find like this big pouch. Actually they did this big pouch I was not using before, but after opening all the frogs, so that's why I was using this. And let's see and start the things. What can I get inside? So this is one stand, this is one balance, and you can find one thing here. Here is one very nice. It will not stuck with this. This is only going to hang here and it will be rotated like this. So when we are going to start, like the one player will put like this, okay, and the other will put like here, and you can see it because it will get the balance according to this. This game is going turn by turn. Actually I opened the 2 stacks, but I already having 3 more stacks inside. 1, 2, and the third mean these are the every stack having 10 frogs. So 10 into multiply 5 means 50 stacks are coming. 1 dice is coming, and it will give you one return. I don't know what to say this, but it will give you some task, like you will be doing like this. So it will be give you some like sing, if this is coming, so this is sing a song, have a dance, and this is very nice activity with the kids. And the age for this frog balance tree is 3+. Like after 3 years the kids, students, teachers, and everyone can use this. So this basically the game name is puzzle desktop game, and overall very nice. And the material, if I talk about the material, so true, material is very nice and very lightweight also, and handy to use. And thank you Temu for this product. I'm also sharing the Temu link also, so you can see and find. This is really very nice product.